nga guys. So nandito kami sa bahay ng friend ko kasi ako ay magdadala ng regalo ko for the baby, for her baby. Ito guys yung regalo namin kay baby Kai Kai. Ayan. Pa-Christmas siya pa-welcome gift namin sa kanya. We're still waiting here. So yan. Lalakad na kami.
Where's that car?
I don't know. Lalakad na kami. You sure?
Oh, it's on that side. Sorry, it's that side.
Ah,
We'll walk.
really?
Yeah. Yeah, that side.
Pizza naman tayo guys para sa birthday ni Gordino. Pizza. Lalaki ng pizza dito guys. Dahil birthday niya, pizza kami ngayon.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Ito na nga guys. Andito po kami, birthday ni Gordo. Kaya nag-pizza kami dito. Ayun! Hintayin natin yung birthday celebrant.
Oh, no, not me too.
Ayan na kami. Happy birthday, Gordo!
He dropped my bill about $100 and something, and on top of that, defend my whole life.
Ayan yung sa akin, margarita. Cheesy. Cheese and all for cheese, I
So
think.
if I can get it. But I'm not gonna do that right now. These things are the fun flavor.
Kain lang kami, guys.
Anyway, I
God
love you.
bless
God bless you. I'm gonna go eat,
everybody.
baby.
Guys, look at me. Maglalakad ako. First time ko itong gamitin, guys. Okay, yan o. Excited na ako maglakad. Ayan. Walking na ako. Ay, ayaw. Wag daw muna. So, nandito po ako. Nag-shopping ako sa Ross. Tapos, sabi ko kay Pedro, wag akong pick upin. Para kasing nasa mood ako para maglakad. Gusto ko lang ma-experience maglakad at gumamit nito. Because this is my first time using this. So yeah, I'm excited to do this. Ayun o. Hindi pa ako pwede. Check nga natin. Tapos nagsasalita to guys. Sabi niya, wait. Ang tagal din pala nito guys. Sabi, wait. Ang tagal. Ayun pala. Dahil pala naglalakad na tao. Yung pala yun. Yung pala yun. So, naglalakad ako dito sa, I think this is Eastern Avenue. Tapos liliko ako sa Warm Spring. Guys, I walk 1.99 miles. Look at that. I made it home by walking. Congrats to me. Have a good day and God bless everybody. Dito na ako sa bahay, guys. At ngayon, magluluto tayo ng beef stew. Pagluluto ko si asawa ng beef stew.
What you making? What you doing?
Ayan,
What is that?
ito na guys. So, niluluto na natin to. Did you put
Diba?
pamienta, lablab?
No.
Pepper? Oh, no pepper for
No,
this.
you don't need much of that, no.
This is their yellow rice, guys.
What?
This
Ham,
is ham,
pink beans,
beans,
and yellow rice, and
olives,
green olives. Yeah.
Adobo flavoring.
And then
Tapos,
here,
ito yung
we're
stew
making
namin.
beef stew.
Beef stew.
Beef stew.
Oh, you didn't
No,
put it on?
Erolak by itself.
Yeah.
No bill pressure.
So, yan. Mamaya, check natin ha, kung luto na.
Yes.
Delicate lang ako dito, guys.
Three Kings meal dinner.
Yeah.
Happy holiday.
Happy,
Merry
happy
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And happy Three Kings Day. Love you, asawa.
Love you, my loves.
Bye, guys.
Babush!
Bye-bye.